What's up guys, today we're here at Mattel Adventure Park, or what I should say, the future home of Mattel Adventure Park here in Glendale, Arizona, taking a construction look at Crystal Lagoons Resort. That blue track right there, I believe is the same track that's going to be connected to the lift hill on the Chance Rides family coaster. We love the dirt sidewalk. If any of you know what happens at the Crystal Lagoon Springs Resort branding, please comment down below, because now it says the VAI Resort and says not opening until 2024, so that answers our previous question. Just to show kind of a general area where this resort is going to be located, that's State Farm Stadium, where the Super Bowl is going to be held in just a few days. So right across the street. Look at this, you guys. This is going to be so nice when it opens up. And then once again, look at the very top, coming 2024, not 2023. Yeah, you guys, it's definitely 2024. So I believe this is the backside wall for the actual pool area. Yeah. You guys have to correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is going to be like a shopping type of district. And guys, look at right there, the end of the launch section into the orange track, which will follow by 2 inversions, I think, and a few airtime hills over banks. Should be a fun ride. And then even deeper within the building, you can already see a few of the flat rides. Looks like they have a crazy bus, a helicopter, and the same fire engine one as the one at Kennywood, I believe. But that orange track, no further yet. This resort is just coming along together super quick.